Hello everyone, I'm Lokesh here. Welcome back to CAD NEST. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to use the design software Catia V5. So if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please do like, share and subscribe to our CAD NEST YouTube channel.
Under Catia, we will be going for part design environment. In this video, we are going to see how to use dress up features. Under dress up features, we have many options. That is, we have fillet, chamfer, draft, shell and all. So let us see one by one how to use them. For that, I'll be taking a simple profile here. Go for pad, select the sketch. Here I'll be specifying the height. Say I'll be giving it as 150. Like this, I have created my base feature. Now let us see how to use the dress up features one by one. Here let us go for first thing, that is the fillet options. Under fillets we have 5 types of fillet, but usually we don't use all these types. So let us see one by one. First we go for edge fillet. Here we will be specifying the edge of a component and also the fillet radius. Say if I want to fillet this edge, that is in order to get a corner, smooth corner, select this edge and here you will be specifying a radius. So I will be giving it as 20 mm. Then give it as OK. Now you can see a smooth fillet has been created. Here you will be specifying a edge and then you will be specifying your fillet radius. Then the next thing we are having is variable radius fillet. Let us see how to use. Go for variable radius fillet. Here I will be selecting my edge. Now you can see there are 2 radius shown here. It means your fillet radius can be varied here. Say I will be giving this end as 25 and this end as, say I will be giving it as 6. Give it as OK. Here also OK. Now you can see the smooth edge has been created with the variable fillet radius. So this is how we will be using variable fillet radius. And next we are having chord length. In these two, what we have done is we will be specifying the fillet radius. Here we will be specifying the chordal length. So let us see how to use. Go for fillet, that is chordal fillet. Select the edge. This is your edge. And here you will be specifying your chordal length. Say I will be giving it as 25. Go for preview. Like this, your feature will be created. You will be specifying the length of this chordal line. Give it as OK. Now you can see your edge fillet has been created. And the next thing we are having is face-to-face fillet. Let us see how to use this. In all these 3, we have specified the edge for fillet. But here we will be specifying the faces for fillet. Say I will be selecting this face and then this face. Now you can specify the fillet radius here. I will be giving it as 30 and give it as OK. Now you can see your fillet has been created. All the 4 will be created in the same manner, but the specifying type is different, that's all. Here we will be specifying the edges and this will be specifying a face. The next we are having a tritangent fillet. Usually we don't use this, so not required to learn this. The next we go for chamfer option, how to use chamfers. The next thing we are having is chamfer. Let us go for chamfer. In chamfer we have 2 types, that is length and then angle, and also length 1 and length 2. Length and angle is used in a symmetric cases. Length 1 and length 2 is used in asymmetric cases. Let us see first one. Length and then angle. I will specify the edge. Here I will be specifying the chamfer length. Say I will be giving it as 30 and the angle it is 45. Give it as OK. Now you can see the chamfer has been created to the angle of 45 degree. So if you want an asymmetric chamfering, then you will be going for length 1 and length 2. So let us see how to do that. Go for chamfer. Select the edge. Here you will be selecting length 1 and length 2 and you will be specifying 2 lengths. So I will be giving it as 5 and then 35. Give it OK. Now you can see we have done asymmetric chamfering. That is from the top edge we have 5 and from right edge we have 35. This is how we'll be creating our asymmetric chamfering. The next we are having is draft option. In draft we have 3 types of kind: normal draft angle, and then draft reflect line, and also variable draft angle. Usually we will be dealing with draft angle and then variable draft angle. Let us see how to use this. I'll be going for draft. Here I'll be selecting my draft surface. Say this is my draft surface, and here it is asking for a neutral element. Neutral element is nothing but the stationary face. So top face is my stationary face, and then you will be specifying your draft angle. Say I'll be taking it as 20 degree. Then you can see my face will be drafted to a 20 degree angle. So here you can see I have created a straight feature, but if I give it as OK, now you can see a tapered feature will be created like this. So this is nothing but draft options. So if you want a single face, then you can select a single face. If you want more than one face, you can select multiple faces here. Go for draft. Under faces, we'll be selecting more than one face. The neutral face, we'll be selecting neutral face, and then the draft angle. Give it as OK. Now you can see draft will be created. So this is how we'll be using draft angle. The next command I'm telling you is variable draft angle. Let us see how to use this. Go for variable draft angle. Here also I'll be selecting my draft face, and also I'll be selecting my stationary face. So this is my stationary face, and then you'll be specifying here you can see there are 2 angles at both the edge. Here I'll be giving it as say 35, and this edge I'll be giving it as say 10. Give it as OK, and then go for OK. Now you can see a variable draft has been created. This is how we'll be using variable draft angle. So in the upcoming videos, let us see some more dress up features. So this is all for now. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.